Make sure the IP addresses of your computer and phone are the same before you start the configuration. This is very important. Then go to the HTTPMars Personal Center. Click API Extraction. Select parameters such as country and proxy protocol to extract IP. Generate API link. Open link. This is the extracted IP. Turn on your phone and go to Settings. Click Wi-Fi. Tap the little triangle behind Wi-Fi. Scroll down to the proxy settings and click Manual. Enter the address and the port number. Click Save. Go back to your browser to view the proxy service. At this point, the proxy is set up successfully. Try the internet. It's safe to surf the internet.